Okay, keep in mind that the Marks book merely records information. It does not do any calculations. If you do want to take some of this information or all of it over to Excel, that's been provided for. So let's choose the assignment. And we'll notice that we have 3 columns of information. I'm going to take these 3 and say I'd like to give these to Excel. Nothing you have to do. Make sure that all your columns are touching one another and there's no blank columns, because that way it knows when to stop. So I go up here to Scripts and I say, let's export this page to Excel. Now, if I don't know how to do this, I can click on the word Directions and it'll actually give me an opportunity. Remember, this particular dialog box can be made smaller or bigger, and so maybe if you don't see all the information you're looking for, go ahead and just change its size. It says you're going to export a file, that's its name. It's going to be on your desktop. Open a new Excel file or a tab. Choose File Import. It's going to be text. And you click through the other choices and you are done. So let's go ahead and do that. I actually have that file on the desktop, so it's probably going to say you already got it, but that's okay. Export page. I want to export it. Do I want the details? Remember, the details are inside each of these little question marks for each assignment, or do I just want the dates and the times and the dates and the titles and information? I'm going to say yes. Okay, it just created this file on my desktop. Let's go down to the desktop. I'm going to minimize everything here. I'm going to open up Excel. And there it is. I want a brand new Excel workbook. I then go to File and Import a text file. Those are your big choices. I want to import that. It says, which file do you want to import? And I want to import the one on the desktop called English da-da-da. Get that data. Leave everything set the way it is. Just say next, next, and say finish. Now you get your choice. Do I want to put it on the existing sheet at position A1, or do I want a new sheet, which will build another sheet number 2 down here? So you can put these things next to each other or on different sheets, which means you could consolidate your work from sheet number 1 in the Marks book, and you can put sheet number 2 on your Marks book on the same Excel file. I'm just going to say A1, and there's the information. You can tidy up the columns, and you'll recognize your same information in the same order that it came from the Marks book. And that's how to import from Excel. Now, if you did want a new sheet, you can create a new sheet here. You could import another one, and you could say, I want to put it on this one. It's your choice. But in Excel, of course, you can do calculations. You can say this column plus this column divided by 100 equals a certain percent. And that's what it is to export over to Excel.